Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Roma Putram, an educator of Maths, Standard 10th from Shrimati LP Samani Vidya Bhavan. Children, we were following exercise 5.1. Today, we are going to continue with question number 3. Question number 3 is, for the following AP, write the first term and common difference. Write first term and common difference. For the following AP, that means this one is the AP. As you all know, AP means a list of numbers having common difference is known as an AP. Now here we have to find first term and common difference. First term is 3, that means first term we are naming as A. So A is equals to 3. Difference D. D is equals to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So difference is minus 2. Now same here. First term, now the AP is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. First term is minus 5, you can see. Difference is minus 1 minus minus 5. So minus 1 minus minus will become plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Next term. First term, here you can see 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. First term is 1 by 3. So we can write A is equals to 1 by 3. Difference. Difference is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Next question. Question number 4. 0.6, 1.7, 1.2.8 and 3.9. Now children, here you can see A is equals to 0.6. Difference is 1.7 minus 0.6. 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. So difference is 1.1. Now children, next question, question number 4. Which of the following are AP, and if they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Now first of all, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. So children, what you have to do? You have to find the difference. If all the difference you get same, means it is an AP. If difference you don't get same, means it is not an AP. Now here first of all, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. And if it is an AP, then we have to write difference and we have to find 3 more terms. So children, here you can see that first of all difference is, that means this is A1, this one is A2, this one is A3 and this one is A4. Difference we have to find out, means A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Then A3 minus A2 means 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. Children, here you can see in the first step only, difference is not same. A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. So we can say that it does not form an AP. Next question. Now as it is not an AP, so no need to proceed further. Now question number 2. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. Here first of all we have to check the difference. So here you can see A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. By taking LCM, you will get answer 1 by 2. Then A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2 means 3 minus 5 by 2. After taking LCM, you will get answer 1 by 2. Then A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 means 7 by 2 minus 3. Again by taking LCM, you will get 1 by 2. So children, you can see here all the difference is same. All the difference is same, that is 1 by 2. So we can say that it forms an AP. Now difference we have got 1 by 2. So children, here you can see difference is equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to form 3 more terms. 4 terms are already given. A1, A2, A3 and A4 are given. Now we have to find A5, A6 and A7. Now children, this formula you all know. A5 means A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 7 by 2. Difference is 1 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. Now we have to find 6th term, that is A6. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. What is A5? That is 5th term. 5th term is 4. So 4 plus difference is 1 by 2. 4 plus half. By taking LCM, you will get answer 9 by 2. Here children, no need to convert it into point. Now, next question is, that means next is A7. A7 means 6th term plus difference. 6th term is 9 by 2. Difference is 1 by 2. So 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Answer you will get 5. So like this we have found A5, A6 and A7. Now Question number 3. AP is, that means we have to check whether it is an AP or not. Series of numbers are minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. First of all, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. Now here you can see A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 3.2 minus A1 is minus 1.2. Minus 3.2 minus minus plus 1.2. Now children, here you can see minus plus minus. So 3.2 minus 1.2 is 2. Sign of greater number. So answer is minus 2.0 means minus 2. Now A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2 minus A2 is minus 1.2. So it is minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Answer you will get 2.0. So like this you can check the number. Now here it is minus 3.2. Okay. So what answer you will get? Answer you will get minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Answer you will get minus 2. Now A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 7.2 minus A3. A3 is minus 5.2. Minus minus again plus. So answer you will get minus 2. So children, can you see here? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. All the difference is same. Therefore, it forms an AP. Difference is minus 2. Now we have to find, as difference is same, it forms an AP. So we have to find 3 more terms. 4 terms are already given. Now we are going to find 5th term. 5th term, that is A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 7.2 plus difference is minus 2. So minus 7.2 minus 2, it is minus 9.2. Now A6. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5, that is minus 9.2. Here we have to correct minus 9.2 plus minus 2. So it is minus 9.2 minus 2, it is minus 11.2. Now A7. A7 is equals to A6 plus D. A6 is minus 11.2 plus difference is minus 2. So it is minus 11.2 minus 2, it is minus 13.2. So 5th term is minus 9.2, 6th term is minus 11.2 and 7th term is minus 13.2. Now next question, series of number is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Difference A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 6 minus minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Then A3 minus A2. Minus 2 minus minus 6. It is minus 2 plus 6, 4. Then A4 minus, here we have to take A4 minus A3. That is 2 minus minus 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So children, you can see here all the differences same. So we can see that it forms an AP. Now we have to find 3 more terms. A5, A6, A7. A5 equals to A4 plus D. A4 is, okay, A4 is 4 and difference is 2. So we can say that now here you can see difference is same, that is 4, 4, 4. So we can say that it forms an AP. Now we have to find 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. A5 equals to A4 plus D. 4th term. Which is the 4th term? 2. So 2 plus difference. What is the difference? 4. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Now we have to find A6. A6 means A5 plus D. A5 is 6. Difference is 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. Then A7. A7 is equals to A6 plus D. That is 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. So like this we have found A5, A6 and A7. Now children, remaining sums are there. Total 10 sums are there. Okay, 4 I have already done. Rest all you can do it by your own. And if any doubt you can ask me. Okay, now for the next exercise. Children, you know last term. Symbol for last term is AN. Either we can say AN or we can say L. L means last term and AN also means last term. First term, this I have already explained you. First term means A and difference is D. This we have already learned in point 1 exercise. Now children, formula to find out last term AN. Last term AN formula is A plus N minus 1D. This is the formula to find out AN, that is last term. Suppose if I want to find out 50, suppose number of terms are 15. And if I want to find out 15th term, that is A15, Then children, here you can see a plus n is 15. So 15 minus 1d equals to a plus 15 minus 1 14, a plus 14d. So children, you can see here a 15 is equals to a plus 14d. Similarly, we can find out a 17 is equals to a plus 16d. A 19 means a plus 18d. Like this directly you can use it. Now exercise 15.2. First question is, whatever we have to find it out, it's given in the form of table. A is 7, D is 3, N is 8, A and we have to find it out. Now children, A and we have to find it out. N is 8. Here you can see N is 8. So in place of N, we are going to write 8. That means A8 is equals to question mark. Now A8 is equals to, just now only I have explained, A15 means A plus 14D. That means A8 means A plus 7D. So now A is 7 plus 7, D is 3. So what answer will get? 7 plus 21, that is 28. Next question. Now here A equals to minus 18, D equals to question mark, N equals to 10, AN question mark. Sorry, AN equals to 0. Now here we will take AN equals to 0. N, number of term it is given 10. Means A10 is equals to 0. Now children, you all know the formula of A10. Formula for A10 is A plus 9D. So we will take A plus 9D equals to 0. A is minus 18 plus 9D equals to 0. 9D equals to 0. Minus 18 will become plus 18. That means 9D equals to 18. D equals to 18 upon 9 means D equals to 2. Our question was to find out D. Question number 3. A equals to question mark, D equals to minus 3, N equals to 18, AN equals to minus 5. Now here AN is equals to minus 5. N is 18. So we will take A18 is equals to minus 5. Now A18. Formula for A18 is A plus 17D is equals to minus 5. Now A we have to find it out. D is given minus 3. By putting the value, what answer you will get? Answer A equals to 46 you will get. Next question, question number 4. A is 18 minus 18.9, D is 2.5, N question mark, AN is equals to 3.6. Now children, here AN is equal to 3.6. Now here number of term is not there. So now what is the formula for AN? Formula for AN is A plus N minus 1, D is equal to 3.6. Now A is minus 18.9 plus N minus 1, D is 2.5 is equals to 3.6. Now this 2.5 into N minus 1 as it is, minus 18.9 we will take to the right side. It will become plus 18.9. So 2.5 into bracket N minus 1 is equals to 18.9 plus 3.6, it is 22.5. Now children, here you can see 2.5 multiplied by N minus 1. Multiplication will become division. So it will be 22.5 divided by 2.5. Now children, whenever same decimal place is there, we can cut it down. Now here also one decimal place, here also one. So point will be cut. Now 25 ones are, 25 nines are. So N minus 1 is equals to 9. Therefore N is equals to 9 plus 1, N is equals to 10. So like this, N we have got 10. Fifth sum, you have to do it in homework. Question number 2 is, question is 38th term of AP 10, 7 and 4 we have to find it out. That means A30, 30th term we have to find it out. Means A30 equals to question mark. Now this one is AP. So from this you can make out which is the first term. First term is 10. Means A is equals to 10. Now difference. Difference is 7 minus 10 is equals to minus 3. And 30th term we have to find it out. Means N is equals to 30. Now children, we have to find out A30. 30th term we have to find it out. So A30 is equals to. Now you all know the formula. A30 is equals to A plus 29D. A is 10, 29. D is minus 3. So minus 3. 10 plus minus minus 29 3s are 87. 10 minus 87 is minus 77. In the same way, now question is, find out the 11th term of this AP. Question is like this. 11th term means A11 we have to find it out. Here you can see first term A is minus 3. Difference minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3 difference, that is A2 minus A1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3 By taking LCM, we will get answer 5 by 2. So difference is 5 by 2. Now we have to find 11th term, means A11 we have to find it out. Now A11 means A plus 10D. A is 3, D is 5 by 2. Now here you can see 2 ones are 2 5s are. So minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So minus 3 plus 25 is 22. So like this, answer of A11 is 22. Now question 3 is find the missing term. That is 2 comma dash comma 26 means second term we have to find it out. Now second term we have to find it out means A2 is equals to question mark. Now first term is 2 means A is equals to 2. Now A3. Now children, here you can see A we have got. D we cannot get because consecutive numbers are not given. Can we find out D? No, because A2 minus A1 we can do, but A2 is not there. A3 minus A2 we can do, but A2 is not there. So we are not having D. So what we will do? Using this 26 we will find out D. Now this is third term. That means A3 is equals to 26. A3 means A plus 2D is equals to 26. A we are having 2. So 2 plus 2D is equals to 26. So 2D is equals to plus 2 will become minus 2. So 26 minus 2. Therefore 2D is equals to 24. D is equals to 12. Now children, here you can see A we are having, D we found out. Now we want A2. A2 we have to find it out. Now A2 formula is A1 plus D. First term is 2. Difference we have got 12. So 2 plus 12 is equals to 14. Next question. Now children, here you can see two blanks are there. First term and third term both we have to find it out. Now first term also we are not having. Difference also we cannot get because consecutive terms are not there. So using this third term and fourth term, we will find out A and D. Here you can see A2, that is second term, is 13. A2 means A plus D is equals to 13. Name it as number 1. What else is given? Fourth term is given. So we will write A4 is equals to 3. A4 means A plus 3D. A plus 3D is equals to 3. Give it number 2. Now children, here you can see plus A plus A. If we will subtract, we can cut it down. So subtracting 1 and 2. A plus D is equals to 13. A plus 3D is equals to 3. Now subtracting means sign change. Plus A minus A cut. Plus D minus 3D is equals to minus 2D is equals to 13 minus 3 is 10. So D is equals to negative sign. If we take to the right side, it becomes minus 10. So 2D is equals to minus 10. Therefore D is equals to minus 10 upon 2 is equals to minus 5. Now D we have got. Now we want A. So substituting D is equals to minus 5 in 1. Either in 1 or in 2. We will get A. Here I have substituted D is equals to minus 5 in 1. A plus D is equals to 13. A as it is plus. Difference we have got. What difference we have got? Minus 5. So A plus minus 5 is equals to 13. A is equals to 13. Minus 5 will become plus 5. Therefore A is equals to 13 plus 5 is equals to 18. Now children, here we have got A, here we have got D. Now our question is find out A1. A1, that is A, we have got. Now third term we have to find it out. Here you can see first term, second term, third term. Now we have to find out third term. Third term means A3. Formula for A3 is A plus 2D. A is 18, D is minus 5. So 18 minus 10 is equals to 8. Therefore A3 is equals to 8. Third term is 8. Question number 3, third sum. Now 5, dash, 9 integer 1 by 2. That means second term and third term we have to find it out. Now children, to find out second term and third term, we need A and we need D. What is A? A is 5. So we can say A1 is equals to A is equals to 5. Now we are not having D. So how can we find out D? Fourth term is given. Children, here you can see fourth term. That is A4 is equals to 9.5. 9.5 means 19 upon 2. Now A4 means A plus 3D is equals to 19 upon 2. What is A? A is 5 plus 3D is equals to 19 upon 2. 3D is equals to 19 upon 2 plus 5 will become minus 5. After taking LCM, you will get 3D is equals to 9 by 2. Therefore, D is equals to 3 by 2. Now children, here you can see, here we have got A, there we have got D. Now we are having A as well as D. Now we have to find out second term. Second term, that is A2. A2 is equals to A plus D. A is 5, D is 3 by 2. So 5 plus 3 by 2. After taking LCM, you will get the answer 13 by 2. Next question is find out A3. A3 is equals to A plus 2D. A is 5, D is 3 by 2. Here you can see 2 cut. So it is 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So like this you can find out the consecutive term. Now question number 4 and 5th will be your homework. The same type of questions are there so that you can do it by your own. Now question number 4. Now children listen. Question number 4 is which term of the AP? Which term means n is equals to question mark. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term is 78? Means last term is 78. 8 an is equals to 78. Which term? This term we don't know. Which term is 78? Means an is equals to 78. AP is already given. From this AP you can make out a is equals to 3. D is equals to 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Now children, you know an is equals to 78. It is already given. Formula for an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d is equals to 78. A is 3, d is 5 is equals to 78. By putting the value of a and d, you will get this. Now plus 3 when goes to other side becomes minus 3. So it will be n minus 1, 5 is equals to 78 minus 3. Therefore, n minus 1 into 5 is equals to 75. Then multiplication will become division. N minus 1 is equals to 15. Therefore, n is equals to 15 plus 1. N is equals to 16. So we can say that 16th term of an AP is 78. Next question. Question number 5. Find the number of terms if 7, 13, 19, is equals to 205. Find the number of terms. Means n is equals to question mark. Number of terms means n is equals to question mark. Now looking at this you can make out. This is already given. Here you can see A. A is 7. Difference 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. Comma 205. What does it shows? It shows that last term is 205. That means an is 205. Now children, here it is given and we have to find it out. An is 205. Formula to find out an is a plus n minus 1d is equals to 205. Now a is 7 plus n minus 1, d is 6 is equals to 205. Therefore, now plus 7 we will take to the right side. Plus 7 will become minus 7. So it will be n minus 1 into 6 is equals to 205 minus 7. Now n minus 1 into 6 is equals to 205 minus 7 will be 198. Now n minus 1 multiplied by 6. As you all know, multiplication will become division. So n minus 1 is equals to 198 upon 6. Therefore n minus 1 is equals to 198 divided by 6 you will get 33. Therefore n is equal to 33 plus 1 is equals to 34. Question 5. First we have done. Second of the same type, that will be your homework. Okay. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. This AP is already given. We have to check whether minus 150 is a term or not. Minus 50 is which term we don't know. So we will suppose let an is equals to minus 150. Looking at this AP, first term a is equals to 11. Difference d is equals to 8 minus 11 is equals to minus 3. Minus 150, which term we don't know, we will suppose an is equals to minus 150. Now by taking an is equals to minus 150, formula is a plus n minus 1 d is equals to minus 150. A is 11, d is minus 3. So by keeping the value of a and d, what n you will get? N you will get 164 upon 3. That means number of terms are 164 upon 3. But children, this n is given in fraction. And whatever number of terms are there, it is always positive number. It should not be in fraction. So here n we are getting in fraction. But n cannot be in the form of fraction. Therefore we can say that minus 150 is not a term of this AP. So we have to check whether it is a term or not. So we have checked. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is find the 31st term of an AP. Find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Here A or D is not given, but A11 is given and A16 is given. So using this A11 and A16, we have to find out A and D. Now children, you know A11 is equals to 38. Formula to find out A11, you know A11 means A plus 10D. So A plus 10D is equals to 38. Give it number 1. Similarly, now it is given A16 is equals to 73. A16 means A plus 15D. So A plus 15D is equals to 73. Now here you can see plus A, both are having same sign. So we will subtract. Subtracting 1 and 2. What you will get? Plus A minus A cut. Plus 10 minus 15 is minus 5D. 38 minus 73 will be minus 35. Minus minus sign on both the sides cut. So 5D is equals to 35. D is equals to 7. So children, here we have got D. Now substituting D equals to 7 in equation number 1, either in 1 or 2. Here we are going to substitute D equals to 7 in equation number 1. In this first, we are going to substitute the value of D. So in place of D, I am going to keep 7. So in place of D, by keeping 7, A what we are getting? We are getting A is equals to minus 32. Now our question, that means we have got A is equals to minus 32. We have got D is equals to 7. Now our question is find out A31. A31 formula is A plus 30D. A is minus 32 plus 30D is 7. So it is minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. Then minus 32 plus 210 is 178. Now next question number 8. Question number 8 is an AP consists of 50 terms. AP consists of 50 terms means number of terms. N means number of terms are 50. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12. Third term is 12 means A3 is equals to 12. Then it is given and the last term is 106. Last term means AN is 106. But here we know N is 50. So instead of writing AN is equals to 106, we will write A50 is equals to 106 because number of terms are 50. Means last term will be 50th term. So A50 is equals to 106. Then find the 29th term. 29th term we have to find it out. Now children, in the same way as we have done in question number 7, in the same way you have to solve it. A3 is equals to 12 means A plus 2D is equals to 12. Then A50 is equals to 106. So A plus 49D is equals to 106. Then subtracting 1 and 2 and by using the same method you will get the answer.